Welcome back. In today's calculus lesson, we are diving into a visual and analytical concept, inflection points. These are the specific moments where a graph changes its personality, twisting from one type of curvature to another. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to find them. Before we find the inflection points, we need to understand concavity. Imagine a spoon or a bowl. If it faces up and can hold water, we call that concave up. If it faces down, like an umbrella protecting you from rain or a bowl that spills water, that is concave down. So, what exactly is an inflection point? It is simply the transition point on the curve where the concavity switches. It is the boundary where a graph stops curving upwards and starts curving downwards, or vice versa. It is the twist in the road. In calculus, our primary tool for detecting this curvature is the second derivative. Noted as f double prime of x, a positive second derivative means the graph is happy and concave up. A negative second derivative means the graph is sad and concave down. To find these points mathematically, we start by looking for candidates. We do this by calculating the second derivative and setting it equal to 0. We also look for places where it might be undefined. These x values are your potential inflection points. This is the most important part. Finding where the second derivative is 0 is not enough. You must verify that the sign actually changes. You need to check the intervals before and after your candidate point. If the sign switches from positive to negative or negative to positive, you have found an inflection point. Let's look at the classic example, y equals x cubed. We find the first derivative is 3x squared, and the second derivative is 6x. Setting 6x to 0 gives us x equals 0. If we test a negative number, the result is negative. If we test a positive number, the result is positive. The sign changed, so 0, 0 is indeed an inflection point. Now be careful. Consider y equals x to the fourth power. The second derivative is 12x squared. Setting this to 0 also gives us x equals 0. However, 12x squared is positive for negative numbers and positive for positive numbers. The concavity never changes, it is always concave up. Therefore, this is not an inflection point. To wrap up, inflection points are changes in concavity. Always find the second derivative, set it to 0 to find candidates, and perform a sign test on a number line to confirm the change. If there is no sign change, there is no inflection point. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.